studies showed Australians find it hard to accept a compliment. How many of us get amazing, genuine compliments and then don't know how to respond? The research shows that you feel more connected to the person who gave the compliment if he answered thank you. Don't say anything other than thank you, except the compliment. We're going to try this when we get our sheets back. So when you're giving your person back their sheet, you're going to read a compliment to them, and then I'll say thank you. So everyone, go find your person now. Thank you. If you can't find them, just come up to the front if you don't know their name.
I think it was really good to see everyone get involved with people, even if they're not as close with them. I think it really showed the message that we're trying to get across with the whole inspire inclusion. Yeah, it was really nice to see everyone get involved. Really excited to have Joe West on our assembly on Thursday, just to hear a little bit more about the background of the charity and what all of our funds are going to.